Hello, everybody. Today I'll be talking about big data and the Sustainable Development Goals, which will help make a smarter Sweden. How Sweden uses big data to support the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. What is big data? Well, the definition of big data is it refers to extremely large and complex data sets that require advanced tools to collect, store, analyze, and visualize. And the key features, or the five V's, are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Volume describes the massive amount of data. Velocity describes data created in real time. Variety describes structured and unstructured formats. Veracity describes accuracy and trustworthiness. And value describes insights for better decisions. Who is using big data in Sweden? Government agencies such as Statistics Sweden, healthcare systems for patient care and resource allocation, tech companies such as Ericsson or Spotify, researchers in universities such as the KTH or Uppsala University, and environmental agencies like the Swedish Environmental Protection Agency. Why are they using big data? To help monitor air and water quality, which is a Sustainable Development Goal 6 and 13, to optimize public transport and reduce CO2, which helps Sustainable Development Goals 11 and 9, to predict healthcare needs, which is a part of Sustainable Development Goal 3, to understand education gaps, which is part of the Sustainable Development Goal 4, and to improve energy efficiency, which is a part of the Sustainable Development Goal 7. Where in Sweden is big data being used? In Stockholm, it's being used for smart city traffic and sustainable tracking. In Gothenburg, it's used for environmental monitoring. In Lund, it is used for energy analytics with the European spallation source. And in rural areas, for improving broadband and digital access, which is a part of the Sustainable Development Goal 9. When is big data being used? In current use, it's real-time pollution tracking, daily monitoring of healthcare data, and ongoing climate change modeling. And for future use, it's going to use early warning systems for natural disasters and predictive models for education and economic development. How does big data help Sweden achieve Sustainable Development Goals? Impact examples include the Sustainable Development Goal 3, good health. It predicts diseases outbreaks and using medical records and wearable data. Sustainable Development Goal 11, which is sustainable cities. It uses traffic and emission data to design eco-friendly cities. For Sustainable Development Goal 13, climate action, it analyzes climate patterns to guide policy. And then for SDG 12, which is responsible consumption, it helps track food waste and consumption trends in supermarkets. And finally, two truths and a lie. Sweden uses big data to predict hospital patient surges in winter. Every Swedish household is required by law to contribute to data weekly. And big data helps optimize Sweden's public transportation system. If you know the answer, leave it in the comment below. Thank you very much. I appreciate the support.